Imagine standing above the sea, where the horizon stretches endlessly from Northeast Bali to Southwest Lombok, and sky, ocean, and distant land merge into one breathtaking panorama. This is a rare opportunity to own 1 hectare of premium freehold land in one of Nusa Penida's most strategically positioned coastal corridors, with direct access from the main north-central coastal road. Elevated and naturally terraced, the land gently slopes toward the ocean, creating the ideal foundation for a boutique resort, a private estate, or a long-term land investment. Every contour feels intentional. Every angle is designed by nature to capture the view. Just minutes away, iconic destinations like Atuh Beach and Diamond Beach define the area's growing international appeal. Scenic mountain routes connect you to some of the island's most dramatic landscapes, while established bungalow resorts already operate, both below the site and along the main road above, clear proof of demand and development viability. The property holds a freehold title SHM and is offered at a special current price, with access to trusted excavation and development partners to help bring your vision to life. More than land, this is where geography, timing, and foresight converge, quietly compounding into lasting value.